Did you know that 1 in 9 kids struggling in school might actually be partially blind? And nobody knows it. Meet Sarah. She's 8 years old, gets good grades, and seems totally normal. But Sarah has a secret problem. She can't see the top right corner of anything she looks at. Not books, not math problems, not the whiteboard. Here's the scary part. Sarah doesn't even know she has this problem. Her brain is so good at filling in the missing pieces that she thinks she sees everything perfectly. But when Sarah reads, she skips words. When she does math, she misses numbers. When the teacher writes on the board, Sarah copies everything wrong. Everyone thinks she's not paying attention or needs to try harder. This is called a quadrantal visual field defect. It's like having a blind spot in one corner of your vision, and it's way more common than we thought. 11% of kids having trouble in school actually have some form of hidden vision loss. They're not lazy or unfocused, they literally cannot see parts of what they're supposed to be learning. These kids need help, not harder consequences.